In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workload in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, this guide will help you streamline your task management process and leverage the platform's features to enhance your productivity. Let's begin by heading over to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log in, so glance over to the upper right corner and click on the login button. From here you have a couple of options: sign in using Google, which is quite convenient if your email is already synchronized, or simply enter the email address that you'll be working with. Now if you decide to proceed with signing in through Google, you'll need to select the appropriate email account that you want to associate with Monday.com. After a successful login, you'll find yourself on the home page. Keep an eye on the left side of the screen, just beside your workspace. There you'll notice a blue plus sign button. Clicking on this reveals a selection menu. Look for dashboard in this menu. Once you've located it, click on it and you'll be prompted to name your new dashboard. For the sake of this tutorial, let's call it workload management. Next, proceed by clicking on the create dashboard button. This sets up your new workspace where you can consolidate all relevant boards. You'll be presented with a list of boards. Just tick the boxes next to the ones you want to include in your dashboard. After you've made your selections, finalize this step by clicking on done. Now with your dashboard ready, the next thing you'll do is add widgets to it. Look out for the add widget button and click on it. In the resulting menu, select more widgets. Use the search bar to type in workload, which will bring up a list of options. Simply choose the workload widget from this list and it will be added to your dashboard automatically. Once your workload widget appears, take advantage of the customization options by clicking on the three dotted icon located at the upper right of the widget. This will open the settings menu for the widget, giving you control over how the content is displayed and suits your specific needs. You have the flexibility here to personalize the workload view to make it align perfectly with your team's workflow and preferences. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your workload in Monday.com, giving you a precise overview of tasks and resources. This efficient setup will not only improve how you track tasks, but also enhance your team's overall productivity, enabling a more streamlined and focused way to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.